गुड मॉर्निंग वेस्टिजियंस। आई होप आप अपना और अपने परिवार का ख्याल रख रहे होंगे इस क्राइसिस में। तो आज के वेस्टीज के स्पेशल ई ट्रेनिंग सेशन में हम इस वीडियो में आपको बताने वाले हैं मिस्ट्रल ऑफ मिलान के ट्रू लुक कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर और प्रोफिक्स लूज पाउडर के बारे में। हम जानेंगे कि क्या स्टेप्स फॉलो करना चाहिए कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर यूज़ करने के लिए। कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जो बेसिक मेकअप आइटम है हर लड़की के मेकअप किट का, एंड वी बिलीव इट्स अ गेम चेंजर इफ़ यू अप्लाई द पाउडर इन द करेक्ट मैनर. Compact powder is an essential tool in beauty regime. It transforms you into the most beautiful version of yourself, and it does so while nourishing and pampering your skin. As we all know, the step to perfect makeup is to start with a clean face. क्लीन फेस अलाउ करता है मेकअप एप्लीकेशन ईजी करने में। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर लास्ट लेयर होता है मेकअप का, सो वी नीड टू मेक श्योर हमारा इनिशियल स्टेप स्मूथ हो ताकि हमारा कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर ज़्यादा टाइम तक स्टे करे। नेक्स्ट कम्स toning and moisturizing, wherein this step helps to remove minute dirt from the skin, making the face even more flawless and easy for makeup application. Moisturizing करना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि ये हमारे स्किन को स्मूथ करता है और ये हमारे स्किन को और भी ज़्यादा हेल्दी लुकिंग बनाता है। थर्ड स्टेप इज़ टू मेक द बेस फॉर मेकअप. सो वंस आवर स्किन इज़ प्रेप्ड वी विल अप्लाई फाउंडेशन अगर वी आर लुकिंग फॉर फुल कवरेज. कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर मीडियम कवरेज देता है, सो इफ़ वी वांट फुल कवरेज वी विल नीड टू अप्लाई इवन कोट ऑफ फाउंडेशन एंड कंसीलर बिफोर अप्लाइंग कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. Final step is compact powder application. So the best tool to apply compact powder is using powder brush or beauty blender. अगर हमें sheer coverage चाहिए तो हम compact powder को face पे dust कर सकते हैं using makeup brush. But if you are looking for medium coverage, we will require beauty blender. We need to pick the product and press it on our skin to seal it. So now let's talk about why use True Look compact powder. Compact powder use करना is the easiest way to enhance our look, and it is one such product that every girl owns it. It is best for touch-ups and also it is very easy to carry. So it is great for everyday use. हमारे मेकअप को long lasting बनाता है, and it is small and it is easy to carry. As I said, it is portable. We can easily put it in our purse and we can carry it along. It provides sheer to medium coverage and it has good amount of pigmentation. What makes True Look compact powder different from other compact powder is that it is enriched with special ingredient that absorbs excess sebum and makes the formula easily spreadable for a natural looking cover. So if you finish your look with a light dusting of this powder or dab a bit, it will keep your makeup looking fresh and flawless throughout the day. We have 4 shades of compact powder: True Look compact powder Light Ivory 001, Light Petal 002, Light Sand 003 and Pearl Compact Powder 007. Pearl Compact Powder is one of the unique product in the segment. Along with other features of compact powder, it acts as a shield from environment and protects our skin from pollution damage. It has vitamin E and also contains SPF, and thereby it protects our skin from sun as well. Profix Loose Powder is low-key and superhero of our makeup collection. Here's why. It is ideal for all skin type. This redefined powder fixes makeup, leaving a poreless, natural-looking skin. The Shine Control formula mattifies the skin and ensures your makeup remains fresh all day. Its smooth application over the face leaves a perfect pearly finish. Setting powders are loose powders that contain ingredients like talc and silica, which help keep wet products like liquid or cream foundation and concealers in place while preventing excess oil production. Profix Loose Powder or Pearl Compact Powder are also best suited for baking. Baking is used to accentuate our features using extra amount of powder that can visibly be seen as build-up on top of the skin. Our body heat forces the liquid foundation to bond with the powder. After 15 minutes or so, we dust off the excess powder, revealing flawless skin. We proudly claim that all Mistral of Milan products powered by Vestige are paraben-free, halal-certified, cruelty-free and vegan. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was informative. Please like and comment and let us know what would you like to hear from us next. Thank you so much. Wish you wealth.